Hello and welcome to this short video on how to buy Boost coins on a live exchange using your credit card. So first you need to create a wallet on Phantom, then you buy some Solana using your credit card. Then swap the Solana to USDT. Then go to Raydium and connect your Phantom wallet at the click of a button. Then from Raydium, simply swap the USDT to Boost coin. It's actually very easy and it only takes a few minutes. Let's do it together. So first thing is go to phantom.app. Then click on download to download the wallet app to your desktop. Phantom can actually be installed on an Android device or a desktop, Windows or Mac. Don't try to install on an iPhone as the buy button is missing. It can be installed on these browsers: Chrome, Brave, Firefox and Edge. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to install Phantom on your device or computer. Once you have it installed, I'm using Chrome browser. You can see the icon in the top right corner. If it's not there, just click the extensions button and add the Phantom to your icons here. Then click the icon and follow the on-screen prompts to create a wallet. I've already created a wallet here. Make sure to save your wallet words or private keys, which will be given when you set up your wallet. It is best to write them down because if anyone has your private keys or wallet words, they can steal the contents of your wallet without a trace. I have some Solana in my wallet which I transferred earlier for testing purposes. In the first section of the wallet is the $ icon. You have three options to deposit, buy or send. The deposit option is if you want to receive crypto from another party. You can simply copy and paste this wallet address and send it to your friend or colleague. Then they can send you the Solana. When you click on the buy button here, you can buy Solana token using your credit card. The next wallet feature is where you may save collectibles like NFTs. The next section is the swap feature. Here you can swap Solana into USDT. The great thing about Phantom is that the USDT is USDT SPL, which is from the Solana blockchain. You need USDT SPL to buy Boost coin. And the last feature of the wallet is to show your activity. Okay, so now you're familiar with the Phantom wallet, let's go ahead and buy some Solana using our credit card. Click on the buy button, select Solana. If you try $10, you will notice that it only allows a minimum of $50 US purchase. Enter $50 and click next. The first option is MoonPay, which allows credit card purchases. Another screen will open up for MoonPay. You can see that I'm going to receive 2.08 Solana for my $50 purchase. There's a continue button just below, which I'm going to click to proceed. Then it asks for your email address. It will then send a verification code to your email address. Once you've entered the code, you can proceed to enter your credit card information. I already have my credit card information saved from a previous transaction. Once you've entered your card info in here, you can click continue. Below the summary, you can also see your charges. I'm receiving 2.09 Solana for $21.95. Network fee is only 17 cents and the processing fee is $3.99. Agree to the terms of use, click pay, and one final security check. These transactions are irreversible. Stop if somebody gave you a link to make this purchase, if someone you met on social media is guiding you to invest in Solana, or if someone showed you an investment website that you haven't heard of before. And click here to learn more about how to avoid scams. When you click continue, it will process your payment. Depending on your bank, you may need to enter a one-time PIN number that will be sent to you from your bank to your phone or your email address. Once you've entered the PIN, and click submit, it will process the transaction. Here you will need to wait around 5 to 10 minutes for the transaction to process and complete. Time to grab a quick cup of tea and come back. When the delivered option is green, you can now reopen your Phantom wallet and to check your balance. See, my balance in Solana is now $76.05. If you click on Solana, you can see the new purchase transaction in your Phantom wallet. Next, we are going to swap our Solana tokens for USDT in the Phantom wallet. Click the third icon on the bottom to enter the swap feature. The first token selected is SOL, then select the second token and search for USDT. The great thing about the Phantom is that the USDT available is the USDT SPL, which is what you need to buy BoozCoin. Enter the amount of SOL that you wish to swap. You should keep some SOL in your wallet for transaction fees. Click Review Order. Notice the fee is only 0.00035, it's very low. I'm going to swap 3 Solana in this case. You can see I'm swapping 3 Solana for 64 USDT. The estimated fees is only 0.00035 cents. Click on Swap. It will then swap Solana for USDT and should only take a few minutes. If the funds don't show in your wallet straight away, you can close the Phantom wallet and reopen it. Then you will see your balance of Solana. You can click Recent Activity to check that the swap is completed. When your USDT balance is showing, you can proceed to Raydium to buy BoozCoin. Go to Raydium.io. Click on Launch App in the top right corner. Then click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner. You can connect any of these wallets: Phantom, Solflare, Taurus, Ledger, Wallet Connect. Because you have your Phantom wallet installed on your browser, it will automatically connect your wallet when you click Connect. Sometimes you have to refresh your page for your wallet to show connected. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds. When your wallet is connected, click on Swap in Raydium. The first token you select is USDT. The next token you search for and select is Booz. I'm going to swap 32.03 USDT for 3293.43 in BoozCoin. The exchange automatically calculates how many BoozCoin I will receive. Click on Swap and it will process the transaction. Your Phantom wallet will automatically open and it will ask you to approve the transaction. When the swap is confirmed, open your Phantom wallet and it will show you the balance in BoozCoin. Here you can see I swapped BoozCoin on Raydium for $32 USDT. So it's like having USDT is always based on $1 US per 1 USDT. So it's like having US dollars in crypto when you're holding USDT. That's it. Thank you for watching.